Hello, thanks for joining us again and welcome to our channel. If this is your first time, we encourage you to subscribe and share our videos to your different network so we can keep growing this platform and bringing you amazing content. Today we shall be looking at thunderstorms and the lightning associated with this, and we shall also be debunking some myths related to thunderstorm. So we appreciate that you are watching our channel at this particular time. Now, this episode will share useful information about the thunderstorms and debunk some myths as well, which is important for you to know. First myth is wearing jewelry, wearing shoes with metal sheets, carrying metal objects such as tripods, golf clubs, and also umbrellas will attract lightning and make me more susceptible to a strike. It's not so true, so we have to say. Also, another thing to note is that thunderstorms are weak sometimes. Weak thunderstorms are sometimes called thunder showers. Now, also another thing to note is that the shock waves and thunders at very close range to the lightning bolt can cause, if you are very close to lightning bolt, can cause property damage, but no injuries have been reported recently. And people have found themselves in situations where they felt that they could be struck by the lightning, but that hasn't been the situation or been the case recently. Thunders are loud with ringing noise because the amount of electrical energy that flows through the cloud to the ground is so enormous, and the frightening noise may cause people to be panicking around. Something more about thunderstorms and lightning. The acoustic effect it has on Earth's atmosphere is known as the thunder, as a result of the reaction that comes from this particular situation. Lightning is caused by static electricity, which, as you may see from the videos. Also, in fact, every plane you fly recently has likely been, an airplane we're talking about has likely been struck by a lightning one way or the other, or once in its lifetime, though lightning won't bring a modern airplane down. Something more also again about the lightning and thunderstorms, as you can see from the amazing videos that you are watching. It is important to note that lightning is 4 times hotter than the sun. It's extremely hot if you want to compare what energy the sun has. A single bolt of lightning is around 50,000 feet or 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This is to give you a clear understanding, a picture of how powerful a single lightning could be. Several airplanes have been brought down by thunderstorm in bad weather. Of course, it's not so frequent, but we've had planes that struggle in this particular condition and that affected their performance in a way, one way or the other. Lightning strikes are small but powerful and can cause lots of damages if it comes in contact with a particular situation. The odds of being struck by lightning in your lifetime is 1 in 3,000. So this is interesting. Also, thunderstorms, also known as an electrical storm or a lightning storm, is a storm characterized by the presence of lightning. Again, talking about thunderstorms and lightning here. Cell phones. Some people are worried about carrying their cell phones with them while walking. Cell phones, small metal items, jewelry, etc., do not attract lightning. Nothing attracts lightning. However, lightning tends to strike taller objects like major skyscrapers. Tall buildings in major cities around the world may come in contact with this particular situation, but there are lots of head wires and modern building technologies that prevent that from happening all the time. So people were pretty safe in this particular, living in these extremely tall buildings in mostly advanced environments or cities around the world. Also, countries all over the world suffer damages because as a result of violent storms. They encounter these maybe as a result of hurricanes. Big cities can actually create stronger thunderstorms. As you may be aware, I don't know which city you live in around the world, but when it's really stormy, you feel that in major cities, the amount of noise. It is not dangerous to watch TV during a thunderstorm. However, the electronics in the TV set are vulnerable. If you have to make a telephone call, use a mobile phone detached from its cable rather than a landline device. However, this is important. Did you know there are two types of lightning? You have the negative strike and the positive strike. Something more about this. The irrational fear of lightning is known as chronophobia. The louder the thunderstorm sounds that you hear, the closer you may be to the lightning. So you want to be extremely careful about this. Another myth about we're going to be debunking at the moment will be that mobile phones are very less powerful device, and the metal presented in them are not enough to attract lightning. In this case, some people are worried that they might be struck by lightning or by lightning, the thunderstorm, if they're carrying their mobile phone along, but that's never be the case. Fact is, light travels through air much faster than sound.